Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials. Hey everyone, welcome back to our Google Data Studio series. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add multiple pages in your Google Data Studio. So let's go to our Google Data Studio first. When you create a new report, by default, Google Data Studio will give you one page. So let's go and create a new report first. So let me open it in a new sheet. Okay. And I'll create on a blank report. Okay. So once I create a report, then you will see that this is the only page which by default Google will give you. So if I rename it as Untitled Report 1, okay, and if you want to add another pages, then how can you do it? In order to add another page, what you need to do is that you will see this option add a page. You can click on it. Once you click on it, then you will see the page 2 of 2. Now there will be two pages here, one page and second page, right? And if you want to add another third page or fourth page, then you have to click on this button. So what will happen is that whenever you create a new page, so the page number will be provided by Google, okay, and you can rename it. So I'll show you the renaming in the next video, but the thing is that you can change the order of these pages also. So what you need to do is that you just need to select these page, okay. Once you select once you select this page, or if you have added certain charts or graph on these pages, then you will be able to sort the pages based on your requirements. So let me show you in this report, because we have few of the graph and one of the graph here, okay. So if I want to change something, then I can drag it to above, okay. So this is how I can sort my pages here. Now the numbers or the renaming of the number will be done. This is 1 and 2. Again, if I want to add another page, I can again sort it based on, or rearrange this page based on my requirement. So that's how you can add multiple pages, and based on your requirement you can arrange the page either on the top or the bottom of it. So let me know if you guys have any confusion regarding this page creation and arranging of the pages. So in our next video, I'll show you how to rename a particular page, hide a particular page, and how you can remove a certain page from Google Data Studio. Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.